Hello everyone, my name is Ananksha Alamyan and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about how reading fiction can improve your life. There is a notion among the current reading community that when you read non-fiction, it makes you a scholar, while reading fiction is just a hobby. And several of my friends, they actually scoff, they laugh at me when I tell them that I love reading fiction. This video is going to discuss why, when you have to make a choice between two books, one self-help and one fiction, why you should always pick up the one that is fiction. The first benefit is fiction helps you understand your core beliefs. Now, in this limited time that you have on this planet, that we all have on this planet, it is not possible for us to experience every emotion that there is. But when you see a character going through a particular situation in a book that you're reading, you tend to analyze that if you were in that situation, what you would be doing. And that gives you a very clear understanding of what your priorities are and what are the things that you want from life and how does that make you different from that character. So it's like this book helps you get to know yourself better. Number two is fiction gives you a different perspective. Now, when you are old, you tend to forget how being young used to feel like. Because right now, I have a very hard time relating to people who are still in their teens. But I have already lived through teenage and it's so hard for me to remember. But when I read a book, it gives me a perspective of how people who are at a particular age think and feel. Number three is fiction helps you accept differences. So you might be raised in a society, in a family that has conditioned you to believe in a particular way, that some things are evil and some things are good. But when you read fiction and you see a character going through some situation and they are facing a lot of problems because of some things that are not in their control. And this gives you a perspective that they might be doing something, but it's not wrong. And it helps you understand, it helps you broaden your empathy so that you can accept differences more easily. When you spend so much time in a character's head, it gives you a sense of understanding of yourself and the world that no self-help book can give. Number four is being a friend. Life is tough, but you don't have to face it alone. When you are going through some situations that you can't share with anyone else in your life, and you read a book about a character going through something similar, and that what you are feeling is it's not an isolated incident, that there are other people going through similar experiences. And this gives you a sense of companionship that you are not alone. And that definitely helps. Number five is adding items to your bucket list. Now, when I read Dan Brown's Angels and Demons, I had no idea of what Rome would be like. But when I read that book, it was like I went on a virtual tour of the city and through the book, and it gave me so many experiences that I want to see for myself in my real life. So many architectural wonders that are there to explore in the world. And now I know, because of the book by Dan Brown, I know what I want to do when I go to Rome. So when you read fiction, it gives you a list of things that you need to experience before your time on this planet is up. Number six is living 1,000 lives. Now, there is a quote by George R.R. Martin that says, "A reader lives 1,000 lives. The man who never reads lives only once." And I can't stress how true that is because I have read books, I know what it's like to visit an ancient tea store and be served by a geisha in Japan. I know what it feels to be a refugee in the refugee camps of Lebanon and Israel. I know what it feels like to be in Afghanistan because I read books that depicted all these stories of so many people living so many different lives. And when you read fiction, you can get that idea of how it is like to be in that situation. And you can live 1,000 lives by not even leaving your bedroom. So that brings us to the end of this video. Concluding, I would like to say that books can be your best friend, books can be your escape, and fiction is the best way to get to know yourself, to get to know your friends, to get to know the world around you. It gives you so many different perspectives that self-help cannot give you. And you might have a question that reading fiction will not help me in my career. Directly, fiction might not help you advance in your career, but it will definitely make you more empathetic, more wise. It will make you a better person. And when you are a better person, you have better chances of having a better career, right? So I hope this convinced you to try out more fiction. And so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.